Hi, I'm Flux, and I am Bangalore. Wow, busy playing solitaire? No. Okay, I'm settling the road tax and insurance for a subscriber, and Encik Suresh punya aircon pula kena service, so I'm just scheduling with the mechanic lah. Ask Encik Suresh to settle himself lah. Encik Suresh is a young professional. Diorang ni sangat busy, alright? So we want to make car ownership hassle-free. Hassle je free, ha? Kena bayar extra kan? It's all included in the subscription, bros. Kejap, concierge calling. Hi, concierge. Yes, please come and collect Encik Suresh punya car keys. Thank you. Wow, you hotel lah, got concierge one ah. It's what we offer lah, you know. So the road tax, insurance, servicing, maintenance, kita handle semua tu. Then we give back the car to the subscriber. Then call your concierge come and help me settle my saman. Are you a Flux subscriber? No? Then cannot lor. Okay, sorry today busy sekejap. Working hard is not about working hard, but working smart. Hello? Hey, your car breakdown, you call me for what? I am bank loan. You call insurance settle yourself lah. Yeah, actually, Flux also handles breakdown and emergencies. Better pretend busy also lah. Oh, got new update for Tetris.